Assalamualaikum. I am Zan and you watching my channel. It's fun. Today I will tell you why we need hand washing. But first we do experiment. Let's start. This we need water, peppers, sprinkles and soap. First we need pepper and water. First, we sprinkle the pepper on the water. Let's do it. Let's do it. Shake, 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 shake the pepper. Shake, 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 shake the pepper. Look, it's just like germs. Shake, 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 shake. More we need, more we need, more we need, more we need, more we need. Okay, keep inside. Now we need dip in the water finger. Look, ew, my finger. It sticks on my finger. Ew, it looks like germs. Ew, stick on my finger. Look, it like germs. Germs not hand wash. When you not wash your hand, germs stick to your hand. Just like me. Now I will squeeze in the plenty soap. It's done. Dip your finger in soap. Now dip the finger in the water. Look, germs away in the running. Wow! Soap kills the germs. All germs away from my finger. Same like this. When we wash our hands, soap kills the germs. Can you see these? How germs are killing? It's perfect. Let's do another. Let's put some sprinkles in the water. Look, these are our germs. Look, oh, germs look on my hand. Look, it's sticking to my finger. Ew, germs. Ew, germs. Look, ew, germs stick to my hand. Now dip your finger in the soap. What's happening? Killing germs. Into sprinkles. Shake, shake, shake. 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 These are germs running away, sticking to my hand. When I take soap, germs can run away. Let's do it. Dip your finger in the soap. Now, germs. Look, wow. Did you see the Thar is running away? Origins are killing. Did you see that? It's awesome. When you don't wash your hands, germs stick to your hands. When you wash your hands, your soap, all germs kill. Now your hand gets clean. Always wash your hands. Stay healthy. Thumbs up. Stay safe. Stay healthy. If you like my video, subscribe channel, click the button, hit the bell. My videos, others, and see you next time. Bye. See you. Hands, clean. Wash my hands, clean. Wash my hands, wash my hands. Wash my hands, wash my hands. Oh, big thumbs up, clean. Big thumbs up, you want on my channel. You like my video, subscribe to my channel, to my videos.